And welcome back to another McDonald's Happy Meal Hasbro Gaming unboxing. And today we're going to be opening the game called CONNECT4.
CONNECT4.
This is the front and this is the back.
That's the
back looks sort of like the real game board.
And we have this, what do you call this? I think these are the pieces that, oh look, there are squares. Unlike the original CONNECT4, it has
points.
They're like a round coin.
Okay, let's get them all out. I'm red here.
Oh wait, who's red?
Me.
Who's yellow? I think I'm gonna be yellow. Okay, so now we have all of the square tokens out.
It has 4 yellow and red square pieces. And we have this stick to use to push the square pieces.
If they get stuck.
Let's start now. Who wants? Sarah, I think Sarah can start it. Okay.
Now
we're ready.
Okay.
Game.
Sarah has the red squares and Kuya has the yellow squares.
Okay, let's
and
start.
Sarah will.
Okay. Oops. Dropped my yellow piece. And over here.
I have no idea who's winning. I cannot see it. Who's winning?
I did. CONNECT4.
You already did?
CONNECT4.
Oh yeah!
I won.
Kuya won. How do you think about this game?
How about we
really
play again?
I think I like this one.
How about we play again?
And
Okay,
to take all the pieces out,
you just need to.
we just need to open the bottom like this.
Oh, okay, that's right.
This is all of my coins.
Okay.
Okay.
And another game. Sarah wants to win, so.
Okay, so we're
Okay,
gonna do
let's go.
another game.
Okay.
Come on, Sarah. Come on now, Sarah. Come on now,
Go,
Sarah.
Middle.
Okay.
Oh,
Just
only
one.
one.
One at a time. Sarah needs to win. Someone's winning already? Oh, almost? Uh-oh.
We're in a row.
Oh no! Kuya did it again!
I lost again. Oh, but it's not about the toys. It's about the fun.
It's about the fun.
It's not about
winning.
Winning. It's
about having fun. Are you gonna practice with mommy?
Yeah.
So you could beat Kuya next time,
I'm
huh?
gonna beat you.
I think I like this one. It's really
And
enjoying.
you
It's
can
just like the original one, the big one.
The
It's
5x7
like that.
one, but the only difference between it is that it's 5x7, and the real one is 5x7 on the back,
This is 5x5.
and that's 5x5.
But that's fine.
Yeah,
It's a pocket. It's a pocket size, so you can still put it inside your pocket and
Plus-
bring it somewhere else.
Plus, you can also open this bottom part where
And-
you're supposed to get all the coins
On
And-
the pieces.
and
all the
store it
pieces
all
here.
in there. And store it all.
So, Kuya, what do you think about the toy?
I'm rated 8 out of 10 because
8 out of 10? I
because
think it's a 9. How about you, Sarah?
It's 100.
100. I think Sarah really liked it. It's just that she needs to beat Kuya next time.
Oh, dear.
And it's a pocket size, so you can bring
yeah,
it
I
anywhere.
think all of the Hasbro gaming is pocket size, so you can bring it anywhere.
And you can enjoy it. You just need to put it in a little baggie so you won't lose the little pieces on it.
Baggy.
So guys, I hope you like our Hasbro Gaming McDonald's Happy Meal unboxing. So review. And if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And feel free to comment on anything you like about
Like
the toys.
Thank you for watching.
And
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.